Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is episode 1 of rebuilding my home jumps or my compound. Let's get into the video. Now in this episode we're going to be rebuilding the first jump on the big line. Now this end line is going to be the big line, and what we have at the moment is a gap jump with a table in the middle. You can either nose manual it, roll down it, whatever you want. So we're going to replace it with a 3-foot kicker, and then we're going to build a landing. I think this is the perfect jump to start off on this trail, so let's get the new jump I built. If you haven't seen me building this jump, it was on Instagram. So we're going to get that jump, put this here, and then we're going to build a landing together. Right, now that jump's finally over here, let's quickly move this out of the way. It has not moved in a while, so let's move this, get the ramp in place, and let's measure up for a landing. Or the time lapse. Right, so we've got this 3-foot kicker in place and it looks beautiful. This ramp I built completely for free, fully out of pallets. I only used 2 pallets to get this, so I really recommend you doing this. So talking about a landing, I don't want it to be a step up, I don't really want it to be a step down. I feel like I'm going to make the landing the exact same height as the lip. So that's about 3 foot, so let's swipe over and let's start building a landing. 3-foot tall. Don't know how long it is, let's just roll with it. Hope you like it. Let's go! Right, so long story short, a lot has happened since the last clip. The ramp we used to have, too steep, didn't work, looked ugly, and I want this to look good. So I went back to the resort and I've built a brand new one similar to the ramp. It was more time, more effort, back braking, but it now looks amazing. It's the first time I can't actually wait to ride it. This is a good lesson to you that even if it doesn't work first time, you've got to keep going until you get the best result, and this is the best result for me, so I love this. So I didn't film me making it because I was just a bit frustrated, but now it's done. Show some riding clips. See you in the next video. Episode 2! Whoa. Well, there we have it, guys. I can easily move the landing further away because this is the smaller I can go. I can go bigger, but I don't want to risk it at the moment. Thank you for tuning in for episode 1. This was the first build on the big line. Next episode, we're going to build a 4-foot kicker, or move other jumps in, and maybe get onto the third jump. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Sorry, a duck just landed.